When a new Sony Alpha camera is about to drop, the entire photography world stops to listen. And this time, it's not just another camera, it's something much bigger. The Sony A7V, a name that's been whispered across forums, leaked documents, and insider reports, is shaping up to be one of the most exciting cameras Sony has ever built. Rumors call it the A1 killer, and for good reason. Leaks suggest we're getting a 44-megapixel full-frame sensor, 20 frame per second burst shooting, AI-powered autofocus, and even 4K at 120 frames per second, all for under $3,500. If that's true, this could completely shake up the full-frame camera market. Welcome to my channel Tech Launch. Subscribe my channel and click on the bell icon for the new tech updates. In today's video, we're breaking down everything you need to know about the Sony A7V, the leaked specs, rumored release window, who it's for, and whether this could really be the camera that challenges Sony's $6,000 flagship, the Alpha A1. So grab your lens cap, get ready to pixel peep, and let's dive into what could be Sony's most game-changing mirrorless camera yet, the Sony A7V. When the word gets out that Sony is preparing a new camera in its flagship Alpha 7 line, the photography world pays attention. So when rumors started swirling about the Sony A7V, an upgrade that might push the boundaries of what a hybrid full-frame mirrorless camera can do, the excitement grew rapidly. The leaks we're about to dive into suggest this isn't just an incremental step forward from the A7 IV. No, the A7V might be a leap, a challenge to the highest tier models, worthy of the nickname A1 killer. Today we unravel the major spec leaks, the key implications for creators, and whether this could be the camera that reshapes Sony's lineup. Let's begin with what the rumors say. Multiple reliable sources have floated a full-frame sensor in the region of 44 megapixels for the A7V, a bump from the A7iV's 33 MP, and yet not at the ultra-high resolution of the A7R line. The leaked figure of 44 MP/20 frames per second non-stacked sensor appears in several places. Some of the earliest rumors noted 44 MPx 20 frames per second non-stacked sensor 100% confirmed. That suggests the A7V is targeting a sweet spot, high enough resolution for serious still work, but with fast enough readout and processing to serve hybrid photo-video shooters without sacrificing performance. Beyond resolution, the leaks highlight a major jump in readout speed and rolling shutter mitigation. In one insider note, the A7V is described as using a sensor architecture inspired by Sony's top-end sibling models, with Nikon's type sensors being referenced in the leak. The mention of faster readout speeds to minimize rolling shutter hints at a video-centric push. Meanwhile, other rumors indicate upgraded in-body image stabilization, IBIS, improved heat management, and the adoption of an AI-powered image processor and autofocus system. Taken together, the spec sheet leaks suggest Sony is aiming for a camera that can work as a serious hybrid for both photo and video, not just a stills machine with video tacked on. One of the sizzle specs frequently mentioned is 4K at 120 frames per second, a feature long desired by hybrid creators but often reserved for much more expensive cameras. According to the new camera's leak summary, the A7V may offer 6K OpenGate at 120 frames per second and no-crop 4K at 120